what's up? Myself Jay, and in this tutorial we're gonna discuss functions because in my last stream my voice was echoing, so I thought to create another video on functions. So let us open our IDLE and let us create a new file, and let me name it as fun. Um, yeah. So what are functions? Functions are block of codes that are executed when they are called. And to make a function, we just need to write def and the function name. For in this case, we'll take the function name as name and make sure you have round brackets and then a colon. Hit enter and it should be indented. So Python basically works on indentation, which means having 4 spaces. So now after indented, let us print hi. Control S to save it, F5. Oh, we didn't got an output. This is because we didn't call the function. And to call the function, we just need to write the function name and Control S to save it, F5. See, we got the output as hi. Now in functions, there are arguments and parameters. So when we pass something in the round brackets, let's say over here, if I write name, this is an parameter. And now over here, when I'm calling the function, and at that time, if I write John, so it's an argument. So let us try hi, and then let us print the name. So it should print hi John. Control S to save it, F5. See, we got the output as hi John. Um, Now let us create a few more parameters. Let's say name and then age, and let us have it as is and then the age and then type years. Control S to save it. Oh, sorry. First we need to pass an argument, and the argument would be, let's say, 14. Control S to save it, F5. See, we got the output as hi John is 14 years. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, but there's an exercise for you. So the exercise is create a function and create a function and pass some arguments and parameters. And print a message like hi myself and then the name. And let me tell you, you can do this exercise. I'm gonna show you the solution. Yeah, so the solution is, let's say for def, and let me create a function and name it as my name, pass some arguments, let's say name, and we can we can do it in 2 ways. First we can use the print and then type hi myself and then the name. Let me call the function and pass the argument. And the another way to do this is that we can create a function Let me name it as hi, pass some arguments, name, and then we can use the built-in function only for functions, that is return. So return is a built-in keyword that is used only for functions, and it prints whatever we write after it. So if I write hi plus name, now print my, oh sorry, hi, and pass a parameter, sorry, I pass an argument, control S to save it, F5, see we got the output. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.